Y'all quick how to. It's gonna be quick, not very detailed, but you should be able to get the picture once you get to this point. So we got boat here. I believe this was a 19 and this bottom one was a 22. Take both of them off, tie rod and off, and the sway bar bushing kit off. Let's take that off. Take this whole rotor and we're gonna push it that way. Alright, now you should be looking something like this, or exactly like this. I got one hand, so what I'm gonna do is jack this up here. And you're gonna hammer right here. Or if you got a pick, a fork, or pry bar, you can stick it in between here. Knock, knock, knock till it pop loose. So I'm about to do that part right now. I don't have a pick a fork set, but I still can get this loose. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. We got that out. Just gonna push this upper control arm up so you can get to the shop right there. This one comes off with 4 bolts and 4 nuts, and they are 10 millimeter. I'm not sure if it was the exact same size. This lower ball joint, possibly, if it's bad, could come right up. If not, same thing, you can hit here or get your pick a fork, smash that thing, hit it a couple times, and it should come out. So I'm about to go ahead and get mine out. So you can hit here and it'll pop up when it's loose. Alright, we got that. Next we're gonna get this lower ball joint out. I probably could record and do it at the same time. You can use the installer to remove it, but it's pretty easy if you don't. Y'all seen how the coil spring came out. When you putting it in, the new one, make sure you got the close end at the bottom. So the top one look like this. This go to the bottom. This piece here should line up in between these two. Alright, for the shock, I got a 14 millimeter ratchet wrench sticking down on it. And then what you're gonna do is take some vice grips or channel locks, hold it down while you unloosen it a little bit. Spray it one time, hold it down while you're gonna loosen it, and then once it's loose, it should be easy to take off. So I'm gonna do that next. Alright, I ain't take the shock out yet, but got the lower ball joint on, and then it's a ball joint kit. So this ring fit over your ball joint. If it can't go through, it won't work. So the ball joint is gonna get pushed up, and this got to clear the whole ball joint. See that right there? It's the top. The ball joint 3 has got to be able to go through. You got to be able to go through this too. Sit like that. It's the bottom here. It push up on your ball joint, and it go. That piece go here. Right, this is what it's gonna look like. So I'm gonna use my impact, but I'm gonna push this control arm up, zap, zap, zap. Then we're gonna see the ball joint go all the way in. It's hard without that. This thing turned there with a wrench.
You a nightmare.
The coil spring compressed and inside. About to close this baby up, put the spindle back on, put the shock in, and then tie rod and sway bar, and we done. Finished product. 3 3/4 of an inch. I'm gonna bring it down out the garage so y'all can see. Finished result, y'all can see all that space. All that space. Look like a lift. So 3 3/4 of an inch. That's what we got. Definitely looking much better. Definitely. Got the hubcaps in the house. Lost a lug nut, gotta find it before I put the caps back on. But yeah, it's looking much better. You can tell from when you're riding inside the car too that it's been a big change, but yeah. So just gonna wash this. The interior is sort of clean now. And then put it back in storage till it's time to start on the console and stuff in the interior.